Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for April 4th, 2017. For your Tuesday, we're going to have plenty of clouds around in the morning with a few leftover showers. I think the steadiest of the rain will be happening early on, and then we start to get more isolated, widely scattered as the morning wears on. And then we'll have another chance of another opportunity for a isolated shower or even a thunderstorm this afternoon. That is also possible as we move into the afternoon hours across mainly our northern sections at that point as the system's not pulling away. Let's go over to the NAM high-res future simulated radar. We'll start this off at 5 a.m. You can see the bulk of the precipitation has already ended. Still have some widely scattered showers here over our eastern sections, north and eastern sections, I should say. As we move forward with time, though, these start to dissipate as you get into mid to late morning. You start to become more isolated, and you can see that here by 11 a.m. and noon. We might have a little bit of a break here where you have clouds become maybe a little thinner and you get some mostly cloudy spots where the sun tries to break through a little bit. But we do have some, with the actual cold front, you could have an isolated shower or thunderstorm pop up this afternoon. This will not be severe, we don't think, but there could be in some cases some isolated thunderstorms popping up with the still unstable air mass that is in place at that time. So we will keep an eye on that just in case. This is going to be kind of mid to late afternoon, and it goes across into early evening in New Jersey with those thunderstorms, and then that moves off the coast. We start to become partly cloudy overnight, and we finally get to dry out a little bit. Going back to the global models, and you can see that pulling away as we get into Tuesday night or in the overnight hours, and we become mostly sunny on Wednesday, and it's going to be still mild. Temperatures are going to be slightly above, at least slightly above normal. Temperatures are going to be in the mid upper 60s in many locations across the coverage area. Mostly sunny skies, but we have another system coming in right behind it. This one will have to be watched also for more heavy rain potential. And it's going to have a warm front associated with it initially. There's the primary, very strong area of low pressure that's going to cut up through the Great Lakes, and it's going to have a warm front with it initially. Could be some showers with that in the overnight hours on Wednesday night, but I think the bulk of this activity holds off until early Thursday morning. And here's that activity moving toward the area, and we will have to watch this because not only do we have heavy rain potential, we also have a low redeveloping here, and you could have some strong or perhaps even severe thunderstorms right in those areas that I'm circling. So we'll have to keep an eye on that just in case. The Storm Prediction Center did outline these areas and actually areas further south in addition to that for the potential for strong to severe storms. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. It will be probably low top convection, not a lot of lightning with it, but we'll see. We'll see how that works as it'll right along that warm front. And with that system very close to the area, anything that's in the warm sector will have the opportunity to see some stronger storms. And you can see that heavy rain potential as you get into later in the day on Thursday. Again, the shower and thunderstorm threat is still there, still a strong to severe storm threat as well. Through much of the day on Thursday. And then going forward from this point, this starts to pull away up into New England, but we still have some residual effects that are going to linger into Friday. Friday is going to be just a raw, damp, and chilly day. We have a system up here now, so we have a kind of a flow like this that's coming around this low, and that's bringing colder temperatures from up to the north down to the southeast. You're going to have a northwest wind. It's going to be cloudy with a chance for showers all day. And just an opportunity for temperatures will probably be stuck in the 40s in many locations, so it's going to be a raw, damp, and chilly day. A little breezy, too, on Friday. And then finally, the system's going to pull away Friday night so that it sets up at least Saturday's going to start off mostly cloudy in the morning. I think you do have improving conditions in the day as far as those clouds are concerned. Maybe decreasing clouds later in the day. And then Sunday, we're back to mostly sunny skies again with high pressure in control and a warmer day on Sunday also, with temperatures getting back up into the 60s in many locations. So it's going to be kind of like last weekend was, where you had Saturday was kind of murky. You had a few breaks of sun, and then you kind of went back and forth between it. Didn't know whether it would be cloudy or sunny. More clouds than sun. I think that's your deal on Saturday. Might have better improvement later in the day, but I think Sunday, like this past Sunday, will be a mostly sunny and pleasant day. That's what we're looking again ahead at this weekend. But we do have these two systems. The first one, of course, is that we're dealing with is today. Until this system pulls away, we'll still under the influence of that. I do think we have the opportunity to clear out of that fairly quickly today. Most of this day is not going to be a total washout, but the bigger concern is going to be with this next system, and that's going to be on Thursday, especially with the severe thunderstorm threat with that low pressure tracking right over the state of Pennsylvania. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Marchich. That is your outlook for April 4th, 2017. Have a great Tuesday.